So it's been something that been on the back of my mind for quite a long time. I mean, I've wore glasses for most of my lifetime now, for the last like 20 years pretty much. So it's always something I considered, but I'm only getting the age now where I'm independent, I can do whatever I want really. So it's something I considered, but then it was about 4 or 5 months before the surgery where I really started like properly considering it and seeing how it would change my life. I'd already had a couple of consultations and a couple of prices given to me. But I came to Focus, and basically the minute I came in, it just felt like the right place. Just waking up in the morning, and I think people were saying to me before I actually got the operation done, was saying that because I'm so used to waking up in the morning and not being able to see anything, and like grabbing over to my bench or like my side bench just to get my glasses and put them on so I can actually see. And I was expecting just to have like a habit and do that in the morning, but I just woke up and I was like, wow, I can actually see. I can see the clock, I can see all the art on my wall and see my computer. It's like I've never ever had this feeling before. It's just incredible.